Welcome to Wealthy Reads. In today's video, we're diving into Value Investing in Real Estate by Gary W. Eldred. This comprehensive guide provides a solid framework for anyone interested in the lucrative world of real estate investing. Gary W. Eldred, a seasoned real estate investor and educator, lays out the principles of value investing and explains how they can be applied to real estate. He emphasizes the importance of buying properties below their market value and adding value through strategic improvements. Eldred starts by discussing the fundamentals of real estate investing, including property valuation, market analysis, and financing options. He stresses the importance of conducting thorough due diligence before making any investment decisions. This means evaluating the property's condition, understanding the local market dynamics, and assessing the potential for appreciation. One of the key takeaways from the book is the concept of buying low and improving. Eldred provides detailed strategies for identifying undervalued properties and enhancing their value through renovations, better management, and effective marketing. He also highlights the importance of cash flow and how to ensure your investments generate steady, reliable income. The book covers various types of real estate investments, including residential, commercial, and rental properties. Eldred explains the pros and cons of each type and offers practical advice on how to maximize returns in each category. He also discusses the importance of diversification and how to build a balanced real estate portfolio. Eldred's approach is both practical and actionable, making it easy for readers to apply his strategies in the real world. His insights into market cycles, risk management, and long-term planning are invaluable for both novice and experienced investors. In conclusion, value investing in real estate is a must-read for anyone looking to succeed in real estate investing. Gary W. Eldred's clear and concise advice will help you identify opportunities, minimize risks, and achieve financial independence through smart real estate investments. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Wealthy Reads for more book reviews and financial insights. Thanks for watching.